In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix ads from your website. If you've ever created a site on Wix, you might know that having ads displayed can detract from your professional presentation. I'm here to help you say goodbye to those ads once and for all, allowing your site to shine without distractions. First, to get started, you'll need to log into Wix. Open your web browser and head over to www.wix.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your Wix account details to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can proceed further. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Wix homepage. It's time to open your site's dashboard. To do this, click on My Sites. A selection of all the websites linked to your account will appear. Choose the website that you want to work on, the one where you want those ads removed. Next, let's talk about upgrading to a premium plan. This is a crucial step because ads can only be removed with a premium subscription. On your site's dashboard, locate and click on Upgrade or Upgrade to Premium. You'll be presented with a variety of premium plans, such as Light, Core, Business, and others. For the purpose of removing ads, selecting either the Light or Core plan should be sufficient, giving you an effective solution without breaking the bank. Now, after you've settled on the plan that suits you best, proceed to complete your payment. Click Select beneath your chosen plan to start the process. You'll need to enter your billing information, so have your payment details handy and follow the prompts to finalize your subscription. As you're going through this process, you might notice an option to connect a custom domain. While this is optional, it is recommended for enhancing your site's professional appearance and recognizability. You can connect a domain you already own or purchase a new one directly from Wix by following the on-screen instructions. Finally, after upgrading your plan, it's time to publish your site again. This will activate your changes and eliminate the unwanted ads. Simply click on Publish, and once the process is finished, navigate to your live site. You should now see that the Wix ads and the Made with Wix banner have been removed. Your site should now look clean and ad-free. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed Wix ads from your website, paving the way for a more professional and uncluttered online presence. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.